Twin told me to get my pad right. Boy, get out your feelings. Don't know why these niggas act like they the one that drillin'. On this side, nobody kill. Post outside, know how it is.